What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best digital kitchen scale in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 5. The Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale. If you're all about precision in the kitchen, this one's for you. Let's kick things off with a bang. The Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale is your go-to tool for effortless weighing. With support for 5 different units, including ounces, pounds, fluid ounces, grams, and milliliters, this scale's got you covered no matter the recipe. The tare function allows you to easily subtract the weight of containers, ensuring accurate measurements every time. Now, let's talk about precision. This sleek digital scale can accurately weigh up to 11 pounds or 5 kilograms with impressive 1 gram increments. Whether you're following a specific diet plan, diving into baking adventures, or meal prepping like a pro, this level of accuracy is a game changer. Are you worried about clutter in your kitchen? Fret not. The Etekcity scale boasts a simple and compact design that fits seamlessly into any kitchen setup. It takes up minimal counter space and can be effortlessly stashed away in your cabinets when not in use. So no more clutter worries. Let's talk maintenance. Cleaning up after cooking can be a drag, but not with this scale. Its 304 food-grade stainless steel surface is a breeze to wipe down. Keeping it spotless is as easy as a quick wipe, ensuring that your kitchen stays as tidy as ever. Now, let's highlight the star of the show, the backlit LCD display. With large, clear fonts, reading measurements becomes a breeze. Whether you're working with dim lighting or just need a quick glance, this display has your back. And there you have it, folks. The Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale is a versatile tool that belongs in every kitchen. From home cooks to professional chefs, its accuracy, sleek design, and user-friendly features make it an absolute must-have. Don't miss out on elevating your cooking game with this fantastic addition. Number 3. The Mexus Digital Gram Scale. If you're into precise weighing of jewelry, grains, or food, you're in for a treat. Stick around as we dive into the details. The Mexus scale isn't just functional, it's also a sleek accessory to your daily routine. The gold-plated mirror cover and platform give it an elegant touch that stands out. Now, when it comes to capacity and precision, this scale doesn't disappoint. With a whopping maximum capacity of 200 grams and a super fine readability of 0.01 grams, it's perfect for accurately weighing even the smallest of items, whether it's herbs, powders, jewelry, or food. Switching between different unit modes is a breeze. You've got options. Choose from grams, ounces, grains, troy ounces, carats, and pennyweights. This versatility ensures you get the measurement you need, no matter what you're weighing. One feature I absolutely love is the smart tare function. It's a game changer for recipes. Just place your container on the scale, hit tare, and you're ready to accurately measure your ingredients. No more guesswork. Now, let's talk about that clear display. The stainless steel platform not only looks great but also makes it easy to clean. The large, backlit digits on the display are a lifesaver in low light conditions, ensuring you get accurate readings every time. In conclusion, the Mexus digital gram scale is a stylish, accurate, and versatile addition to any kitchen, lab, or workspace. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast, a jeweler, or someone who just loves precision, this scale has got you covered. So, if you're ready to elevate your weighing game, I highly recommend giving the Mexus digital gram scale a try. Number 2. The Nicewell food scale. If you're looking for a kitchen companion that's accurate, versatile, and stylish, you're in for a treat. Stick around to discover why this scale might just be the missing ingredient in your culinary adventures. Let's start with the ease of use. This digital food scale is equipped with not 1, not 2, but 4 high-precision load sensors. That means you're getting measurements as precise as 0.1 ounces or 1 gram increments. Talk about attention to detail. Whether you're measuring a pinch of salt or a hefty roast, this scale's got you covered. Next up, let's talk about its multifunctionality. The 9 inches x 6.3 platform and the large LCD display make it a breeze to read measurements in various units like grams, kilograms, pounds, ounces, milliliters, and fluid ounces. Whether you're a metric lover or you prefer the imperial system, this scale adapts to your culinary preferences. Now, I'm really digging the practical design of this scale. The tempered glass panel not only adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen but also ensures durability and strength. And the best part? It's water-resistant. Spills and food residue are no match for this sleek surface. A quick wipe or rinse, and it's good as new. Ah! The tare function. A game-changer for precision cooking. Say goodbye to complex calculations. With a convenient tare button, subtracting the weight of your container is a breeze. Accurate measurements of your ingredients are just a button press away. Last but not least, let's talk about the support you get with the Nicewell food scale. It comes with 2 AAA batteries, so you're all set to start your culinary journey right out of the box. And don't worry if you receive one with or without the Nicewell logo, both are equally functional and reliable. Plus, their customer support is top-notch, so you're in good hands. Conclusion. There you have it, folks. The Nicewell food scale, your culinary sidekick for accurate measurements, versatile unit options, and a design that blends seamlessly with your kitchen. Whether you're a cooking connoisseur or a baking beginner. Number 1. The digital kitchen scale in sleek black glass. So, if you're ready to up your culinary game, let's get right into it. Picture this: you're in the middle of a recipe, and the measurements need to be spot on. That's where the digital kitchen scale comes in. Not only is it designed to impress with its modern aesthetics, but it's also a premium choice that promises longevity and top-notch performance. With this kitchen scale by your side, cooking becomes a breeze. This kitchen scale checks all the boxes. It provides accurate readings down to the gram, and with an impressive 11-pound capacity, it's suitable for a wide range of ingredients and dishes. The easy-to-read display ensures you get your measurements right every time. It's like having a culinary assistant that never gets tired. Now, I know style matters, even in the kitchen. The digital kitchen scale understands that too. Its simple yet stylish design effortlessly blends in with any modern decor. No need to hide it away, display it proudly on your countertop. It's a statement piece that shows you care about both precision and aesthetics. But what truly sets this kitchen scale apart is the exceptional support you'll receive. Our friendly team in St. Louis consists of industry experts who are ready to assist you with any questions you might have. We take immense pride in ensuring you have a fantastic experience from the moment you consider our product to the day it arrives in your kitchen. Beyond just being a purchase, this kitchen scale represents a commitment to positive impact. We believe in partnering with ethical factories and giving back to the community. With each sale, a portion is donated to a charity aligned with our values. We have a series of short videos that dive deeper into our philanthropic efforts. By choosing this kitchen scale, you're contributing to something bigger. Conclusion, and there you have it, folks. The digital kitchen scale in black glass. A premium choice for precise measurements and stylish cooking. If you're ready to transform your culinary experience, don't hesitate to check out this incredible product. Your cooking endeavors are about to get a whole lot easier and more stylish. Remember, every purchase makes a difference. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, stay passionate about cooking. Weight capacity of the scale should be sufficient for the types of ingredients you will be weighing. The scale should be accurate to the desired level of precision. Consider the features that are important to you, such as a tare function, multiple weight units, and a backlit display. Digital kitchen scales range in price from around $10 to $100. Choose a scale that fits your budget and your needs. Hope you found this video helpful. Please feel free to leave a comment suggestions for future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Era Review Zone family. We've got lots more videos coming your way into. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.